Available from Stainelec hydraulic equipment is the Kamekura HP-1 Powerman Junior hydraulic hole puncher. This portable hydraulic hole puncher is capable of punching holes in maximum 1.6mm stainless steel and 2.3mm mild steel sheet metal with ease. The HP-1 uses punch and die sets that are designed and precision manufactured to the highest quality of JIS Japanese tool steel, with standard sizes available ranging from 10mm to 80mm diameter and 15.8mm to 50mm square punch and die sets. The HP-1 Powerman Junior hole punching range is entirely manufactured and designed in Japan to the highest of international standards for the worldwide construction and metal fabrication markets. All Kamekura hole punching equipment features a user-friendly auto pressure relief valve to prevent overpressuring the unit and blowing the hydraulic seals. Stainelec hydraulic equipment is the sole Australian agent and distributor for all Kamekura products. For more information, please contact us today.